In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Hubspot website tracking code. Whether you're a first-time user or a seasoned marketer, this guide will help you harness the power of tracking to gather insights into how visitors interact with your website. First, let's kick things off by heading over to Hubspot's homepage. Open up your web browser and type in the URL, or click on your bookmarked link if you have it saved. HubSpot is a comprehensive platform known for its marketing, sales, and customer service tools, and you'll find everything you need on its main page. Once you're on the home page, you'll spot the Login button. Go ahead and click on that to sign in. If this is your first time logging in, you'll need your credentials handy, so make sure you have those at your fingertips. Navigating through HubSpot is significantly easier when you're logged in, as it provides access to all the features tailored to your account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the HubSpot home. This is essentially your dashboard and serves as your main navigation hub. But to set up tracking, our focus today will be on configuring the settings appropriately. Look towards the top of the screen where you'll find the settings icon. Click on it to continue. Within the settings menu, look for the tracking and analytics section. This area of HubSpot allows you to manage how you track interactions on your site. Click on it and you'll enter a subsection dedicated just to tracking parameters. Next, you'll see the option labeled tracking code. Clicking on this will bring up the specific tracking code that you need to implement on your website. This code is essential for capturing data on page views, sessions, and more. It's a fundamental step for anyone aiming to understand web metrics deeply. Now that we're here, to the right or below the code, you'll notice a handy button labeled Copy. By clicking this, you automatically copy the tracking code to your clipboard. It's designed to be easily accessible so you can integrate it wherever needed, such as into the HTML of your website's header. And there you have it, you now know how to locate and copy the website tracking code within HubSpot. This tracking snippet empowers you to measure and analyze the behaviors and interactions your visitors have with your content, arming you with critical data to make informed decisions. Thanks for joining me on this walkthrough today. By following these steps, you've taken a significant stride towards optimizing your website tracking capabilities with HubSpot. Keep this code handy and ensure it's properly placed in your web structure for an accurate measurement of your site's performance. See you in the next video where we'll cover more tips and tricks.